Get ready for a showdown between the sleek iPhone Air and the powerhouse iPhone 16 Pro. Which one rules the display game with its size and brightness? How did their chips stack up in raw power and efficiency? Can the cameras capture your world better with advanced zoom or larger sensors? What about battery life, build quality, and those subtle but game-changing features like Dynamic Island or Promotion? And finally, is the price difference justified by what you get? Stick around because we're diving deep and asking, is the iPhone Air the smart choice, or does the 16 Pro's premium justify its higher cost? Let's find out. The iPhone Air boasts a slightly larger 6.5-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with up to 3000 nits peak brightness, making it incredibly vivid for outdoor use. In contrast, the iPhone 16 Pro's 6.3-inch screen, while a bit smaller, shines brighter at 2000 nits HBM and features Promotion technology for smoother visuals. The Air's larger size and extreme peak brightness make it stand out for immersive viewing, especially in bright conditions. Under the hood, the iPhone Air is powered by the Apple A19 Pro chipset with a hexa-core CPU clocked up to 4.40 GHz, delivering blistering performance. The 16 Pro runs on the slightly less clocked A18 Pro with a 6-core CPU designed for balance between power and efficiency. The Air's higher CPU frequency gives it an edge in raw speed, making it a beast for demanding tasks. When it comes to photography, the iPhone 16 Pro steals the spotlight with a versatile triple camera system, including a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto offering 5x optical zoom, and a LiDAR scanner for depth precision. The Air sticks to a solid 48-megapixel main camera but lacks the telephoto zoom. The Pro's zoom capabilities and advanced sensors make it the go-to for serious photo enthusiasts. The iPhone 16 Pro's camera features go beyond the basics, with periscope telephoto, 3D sensor shift OIS, and macro photography, enabling stunning close-ups and detailed zoom shots. The Air offers excellent image stabilization and next-gen portraits, but can't match the Pro's optical versatility. This makes the 16 Pro a clear winner for creative photography. Battery-wise, the iPhone 16 packs a larger 3577 mAh Li-ion battery compared to the Air's 3149 mAh, promising longer usage between charges. This difference is crucial for power users who push their devices all day. The iPhone Air impresses with a glass front protected by ceramic shield and a titanium frame, combining durability with a lightweight feel. The 16 Pro also uses a titanium frame, but pairs it with Corning-made glass front and back. The Air's advanced ceramic shield 2 front offers superior toughness, making it slightly more resistant to drops. Both phones are IP68 rated for dust and water resistance up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, but the Air is thinner at 5.6 millimeters, giving it a sleeker profile. Apple Pay support is standard on both, but the Air's thinner design makes it more pocket-friendly. The iPhone Air includes an action button and vapor chamber cooling for better thermal management, plus ultra-wideband Gen 2 support, enhancing connectivity and emergency features. The 16 Pro shines with 3D spatial video-audio recording, appealing to creators. The Air's action button adds a unique physical control that enhances usability. In terms of memory, the iPhone Air starts at 256 GB with 12 GB RAM, doubling the 16 Pro's base 128 GB and 8 GB RAM. This means the iPhone offers more multitasking muscle and storage out of the box, ideal for heavy users. Price-wise, the iPhone Air is more affordable at $999, while the iPhone 16 Pro commands a premium starting at $1,099 and going up to $1,199. The question is, does the 16 Pro's extra features justify the higher price tag?